welcome back. So today we are going to look at what we call the links, how you can move from one page to another without using the scroll bar, but just using what we call the links. So in this case, what we are going to do is we need to open Microsoft Word. So just click on Microsoft Word, then command to launch it. So in this case, I'll just go on and open this document that I've prepared. So with this document, you will see that we have 4 pages. So there is one of 4. So now using the scrolls, you might navigate from one page to another. But this at some point becomes so difficult for you to reach the last pages, more especially if you have more pages and you want to move faster. Links becomes very much helpful when you want to move from one page to the other. So all you need to do is, like I've told you, you need to prepare a document like this one. Then you have to go into the Insert tab. As you go into the Insert tab, you look at the group called Links. Then in this case, all you need to do is start bookmarking. The first that you're going to do is bookmark whatever you want to use as a link. So in this case, in this first page, I will select one word like Zambezi, then just copy, then open bookmarks. From there, Ctrl V to paste the one that you have just copied. So you have Zambezi, and that's the way that you are going to use to create a link. Then once you are done with that one, just command OK. So you want to pair the first page with the last page. So all you need to do is now scroll down to the last page, and on the last page here, you are going also to copy one word that you are going to use as a link. So just right click on it, then copy, then go to bookmark, then Ctrl V to add the link. So in this case, I'll just Ctrl and add. Then I've added these 2 words that are going to be used to link from page 1 to page 4 and also back to page 1. So in this case, if you do create that, then you are going to find that if you open the links now, we have what we call link. So just click on it to add what we call the hyperlink. So a link is something that you create to make a shortcut instead of moving from one page to another. So if you create that link, you click on it, then it will take you just direct to the point where you want to be. So if you want to move from page 1 to page 2, links becomes very helpful instead of you just scrolling down like that, and you might end up wasting much of your time. So in this case, just command link. Then in this case, we have so many options that we can choose from. So you are saying existing file or web page. So if you want to make a link that will take you to a web page, you can also do that. But for this lesson, we are going to look at what we call the place in this document. We just want to work within the document instead of directing it to a web page. So in this case, if you check now, we have what we bookmarked. So you are saying bookmarks, we have the word and we have the Zambezi. So in this case, we are going to pair these now. So on the last page, which is page 4, we have the word world highlighted. So I want to use this as a link that is going to connect me to the first page. So while this one is selected, on this window where we have the bookmarks, select Zambezi, because you want to link word to Zambezi, and Zambezi is found in the first page. So once you are done with that one, all you need to do is command OK, and immediately to do that, you are going to see that there is a change in the word world. So it has a blue color and underlined. So if you just hover around that one, you are going to see it's telling you now to say hold Ctrl plus a click to follow the link. So if I just hold Ctrl and command, then it will take us to the last page. So just do there, command, and now you have gone back to the first page. So now if I want to move from the first page to the last page, all I will do now is highlight Zambezi. Then from there again go back to the links. When you go back to the links, now you have to pair it with the word. So just command word and command OK. Again, the word Zambezi has changed the color. So this is now a link that will take you to page 4. So just hold control, then command. And now you are back to what in page 4. So like this, you have to work with this so that you have the fastest way of navigating from one page to another. So links are a fastest way of moving from one document or from one page to another without using the scroll bar. So it becomes so easy to work with if you have so many pages. For instance, you have 300 pages and you want to edit some. You want to move from one page, from the first page to the last page. You waste time moving down using the scroll bar. So we can create that one by having a shortcut, which is in a link. So you go through that and you let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for your time.